It's 2026. Most technology, frankly, feels disposable, designed to last just long enough for the next model to appear, then straight to landfill. A frustrating cycle for those who value permanence, and more importantly, their time. But occasionally, a truly well-engineered piece of equipment emerges, a rarity like the food essentials and family helpers. Smart oil-free electric fryer 6L air fryer household oven automatic. Yes, quite a mouthful, but the hardware speaks louder than its name. This isn't just another air fryer. Forget the marketing fluff. This is about precision engineering. Its high-speed, finely tuned air circulation system isn't a gimmick. It's an industrial-grade convection chamber scaled for your kitchen. What does that mean for you? It means no preheating. It means perfectly even cooking every single time without fuss. You drop in your meal, press a button, and walk away. That translates to an extra 10, sometimes 15 minutes back into your morning. No hovering, no anxious checks, just consistent, professional results waiting for you. Pick it up. Feel that density. It's not the hollow plastic you've become accustomed to. This is cold, brushed aluminum, weighty, with panels of reinforced, high-grade polymer. Zero flex. The door closes with a satisfying thud, sealing against thick, oven-grade gaskets. The internal basket, not some flimsy coated wire, but a dense, non-stick, cast metal designed for repeated thermal cycles. Every component, from the heavy-gauge power cord to the robust internal fan, screams longevity. This machine isn't built to be replaced in 3 years. It's built to perform for decades, eliminating premature failures, eliminating the need to research its replacement, saving you more than just money. Now, it isn't entirely perfect. The primary control dial, while tactile, can feel just a fraction stiff on its initial turn. A minor ergonomic quibble, perhaps, for a product otherwise so robustly built. But honestly, it's a minor point, quickly forgotten when you consider the sheer unwavering reliability and the consistent results this machine delivers day after day. Amazon prices on this model, as with all high-demand appliances, are in constant motion. Supply and demand dictate daily shifts. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.